me all of this stuff by Läär tend to go reading. So Guam be you good one and a genuine love. Ka win one sha tiang kanati ku perform naka. Chajana one night to perform along. So I think mistaken cook on me can understand when it come to Nook it's based on sacrifice. Minok ranaji la talk. A genoqua la larke through thick and thin. Ke genoqua la larka luak with Mukun yanarana who be out through ting one, come would be a road knock. Because Nike will look a mugwa, a beautiful thing. So Mubugan Janga Jalada Beono, but no good bad tested. The Nugdun Yanaramanock your rodun bad test, but you be yerick to one jerk. And it would seem like cherish me. Take a mid-jerk you can do in case cherish a mishiar a lot. It's almost gonna make you think like that. But she again, Kao no one young or one young logomogwa, but no doing bad test. But Mishia persevere through Rick to Tony, she a longa road, as she relationship don't she keep. That's what you call a genuine love. Because that person, be knocked through thick and thin, be knocked through up and down, be knocked through everything, you know. So, again, the genuine love. But I'm not based on selfish interest. Chada shall look your other load they shall look because she look interest. Come in brana jack. So they lara un and go to jail broad particularly con needed a role many. Today took on the year 2026. I like young take your other girl. There are more women to take a yo than men. Particularly the community down con African, Kia con Nuer de Lara nona. So one man to long Carodian, you know, then wouldn't to longer. I'm sorry, Gadi, but Katigasha ye pit in you, especially in Gada Tebaka, Percala, who can want to do already ran cock rather than don't you and charge a gar. Take a thin, genuine could a different life. So you use the physical hard work, you know, till that season. So now she can't be taken a macatella jibilla or guru newton, a door room missia on Lady and a tacoon, don't be 2-3 years she like a dwelter coquian. Puri, like every 2 seasons, 3 seasons. Dora raid I con gagwan lene, pitka diocaron. So literally you farm 3 seasons out of the year. The rest of them you rested. So it's a converter take a milanisha. So it's become very difficult. Yo, we will be cock on man, yo. Kakonati, you work all the time. Could take care of household, you caring for everybody. So especially slavery in America about all Latinang in your guava Nathan. So they take a minute rule check up in his witch. Allow a long neck, a road over and you could do this by bus around because the gent take a chane and Kajanadori Guanaco, Memenchal and Bendor Shada by even yen and on a quiet bus around Lelnamaka. So that's why I take America. Chane heard a long con man. Ko Miss I Pete Kajanado room because you would see quench 11 changan on a 2 la lat idea. You know? So she ain't your lat cana. That's why I take bridge a match and I could ham a long con man. She didn't know lane. While you guys buy and guamily, you know, call a shot, and you a man decide what's gonna happen to the house, you know, check BB in the check your husband decide that, your father decide that, your brother decide that. So no go up it content. So it will be a bentere take a mid lat you think. Watch can make difficult for you guys because you are not used to buy your juggle and a bass around. So that's why I take up Western world 1 minute a bike and got the shoe to me lane in your color. So be up and look a book and do up more. But Mokara the rider but did a long con man. Coconate queen overseas car Africa con man. Chajan. Canada queen acre, Canadian sherry nuko. Coca guard, Titiana can a good nuko chicken quenta gal already. They're not available. Otherwise, Miss you go to buy a queen read to be a jerk take a shag day. So, which make things difficult. So, be revert to move, revert go buquena got my talk, McQueen and Kaji, because that's what you have available. Kagadity, I need to know Carrot and along. Tell a missioner, she break take a tell a majalka. So, Beji Jogo will knock on the but wouldn't long niji, needing your ma. A lot topic a mare. But one back a cover, chanka be single 1 by 1. But go reje be a melody be a ling. Woodman long niji. She did teach. Oh, a jugny nude picture. Woodman long niji genuinely. Chajida make a condition. It come near your tea nana. Chejan. So, wun manong niji. Bajinok as you are. Maybe a moikador be a moikador. Kaone she decide be a moikador. Chiju moika condition. Kawun manong niji. Chejibi yoga jang near picture ku. Tijili bang thin. Because take a Mitchell talk right now, it's called blackmailing. Chejan, Rama take a plan, wouldn't take a plan. How you know if somebody is using their selfish interest, Keje? Mishi would yoga chabarar today. A young near nude picture. Would a more take a plan? Dear love. Take a plan because for once, go at it in a shenur bang. Tojaka man, she free. So therefore, she picture kuchaka gur. Ibarada, whatever business the go about, like picture is not the case. The case no will take selfish interest and be the real motive behind Obe you go. Go away to be trapped, Kajaku, she be pelco be a support, go in a yokaji. So that should be the first red flag on you, or miss you would duke. Regardless of how old you are, a young near picture bang, allow. That man take a very, very dangerous motive toward you. Because picture it on be your blackmail tomorrow. So you end up sending him money because you go to broad embarrass. Go down a genman gun. Genman wound, genman near the chit. So what do? You stuck in a relationship with that man. Chejan. Because woman you will never do that. Because the la point do show the man genuinely beg with allow a secret. Go to no be an engine karwade. Changa no one camera ka. Chera check the dom. That's a man that truly loves you. He will never ask you to do something like that. Instead, but work hard ka uba shop kudu. But just support emotionally, mentally, ko uba shop kude. Ko begin and physically. So they con you please educate yourself between genuine love and selfish love that based on an evil motive. Allow win more to your year. Everybody want to be rich and they will do anything and everything to get that. Let me repeat, win more to your year. Everybody want to look good, to bling bling and all of that. Wouldn't manong need you too. I love you, I love you, I love you. He will show you in action. You will see who would a man through 10 ladder. Because a man that love you should all do ladder a good enemy. A man that genuinely love you and understand and accept you as his responsibility. And I'm a guru mabelet kaji. He will learn to read your mind simply because not gonna. So Shwana Peko Ishrana Yoga, I love you, my beautiful baby, you my everything, mide pailong kanong de nungi. Then be you come na jatedial. It's not enough. Because chajiku value, chajiku respect. And point on a quadra point to go broad with Carwado. How many of us there are other more can and a broad with ping the thong of me? It's scary, right? Because it's sacred. It's not meant for everybody to see. How come we would joke a long distance? It's just your private part. Can that man cook claim and knock on it? That doesn't make sense to me. Especially when we're on meeting. You have to support him. They'll understand our motive there is questionable. They'll understand our motive there is questionable. So value yourself. Let me rod not somebody else. Can advise the day come con to whether a gin would well check in this life. Please not raw do more than you love somebody. Because that's the only way we look, we understand. Or what true love means. Could you down to one we sacrifice too much Canadian cocaine. And then you end up hanging up on the tree with one leg dangling. Conman emotion done a jello problem done a deed on a quick on how to control it. Michi check Michi will not like your thubanity deal. But leave something for yourself, my sister. Leave something for yourself. You don't do care for anybody. Because unless he can prove we're dead the same thing like Kaji, Chunga the K which I de lad. Because tell him could you prove the lad. I'm a cousin, Teddy. So tell him could you prove the lad until change your the lad. And tell me chico con could you go tana rania you tell him a good kaji wrong yen ka go yen ka the next thing you know. Oh, it's never shoot ten. Oh, sharp wonder shoot qual. Oh, changa you make a jay. The next thing you know, ko nogaran, you start giving. And then going forward, bet you good you will be a moinisha. The first thing Mangure be understand your number one priority, Kagatku. That's number one, not that man. Second to that, test his love. Show much. Show much just because you love him. Leave him. Because again, be a kulangajo one knock on the talk, that's the test. You don't give him anything. You talk to him. Michi nagaji jung and nagaji too, but do not give him nothing. Keep your money. And let's see how long he's gonna stay around. Komuwe what after Kenya much. Then be you ngaji would a monogon, a changle nilo would be you much out of your greatness. Kungi je prove what I'm an. So let's do those testing. Lam no good testing to confirm or not on the. And I will, with all my heart, they advise, do not. If we take a live video, you know, you making love on live or live, don't do that. Better yet, change your work Africa. Mito yen yen je chu talap wonu kunti to ten geke. Because this is serious. This is very serious and it's not good. Chika yung no doing West Africa na malada ka Nigeria. That's what the Nigerian men do. Be shake record secretly and then be a blackmail ko be yukula moja ka yo. Gor ka na men de cha kwan pan te chau kien. So good can a man that I quit to show kin, branch would branch your kamangora, go down to show the yellow. And then you be shake record secretly, but you sure uncool too. Kajana more to win and Amy, missing a moike unit, like the man you ran the man. Be shake them nooker because look over show the Jawangaji I can wood at the end without rundak. These are the trick to Latke. Underman Chalro man is cam. Cut a Latka right now, catch a doll con chico with him. Catch a doll no recaro. Manadol Jurikatin, Latkana. So that's why Monsieur Jago with Jera Mode, Yerodun on the please keep them damn phone away, you, my sister. And let him prove his love through his action, not because you're a lot of nagaji, because word don't mean nothing without action. Tell him a lot can at all. And to my beautiful sister. Please no, should beauty do sure use a la weapon, maybe destroy kaja. Because beauty mean nothing. Mitala Guandalut. Beauty mean nothing. Michi Guanda value. Any ran noga mugwa. Any man out there will want the piece of you because they didn't yamabala. But before you know it, your beauty will mean nothing. The minute she stop will kuja value. She no would michi jogi jin beautiful bishuthi. Tana there and toike wunno to core milling no chai jogi jin beautiful. So value your beauty. Don't use it to destroy yourself. But we are jogging no guachi, ramichi knock, Elisha, okay, which you beautiful. Cause Nini Chigua Legend Corrad women 1 night ago. Could Michi Guanda Roda could value tell Ladrot, la we enabala trash. Because then around Beguru be used and around Beguru, they want to have a piece of you. But then at the end of the day, she can look at value. Because she do value. Treasure your beauty. Use it to build yourself up. Demand respect with it. And chopping the ramichi yoga, you beautiful bichuthi. You don't need that. Because near jealousy alone, they ran a gorgeous kebe. You understand that? Kebe, you could have walla the runicha toy Kenya Adam and beautiful at that. A lot of men have some twisted mind and they like to destroy beautiful things because if they can't have it, they will destroy it. Do you understand that? He cannot have it. Just to say it's a toy. So please value your beauty. Treasure it. Okay? So treasure it. So there you go and tell her I'm a belke. Go and but please make sure you different between genuine love and selfish motive. That is dressed as love. The world is full of fake people. Oh. Both men and women. La wunu wal chicken turn about the wama dobini jail ready. Code up can you they trying to be fake now, okay? Dung yoni. Cherida ala chalenyo kone the jerk and the just in a cook on a play a game of money. So therefore they are out doing it. You know. So there you go, be careful. Set some good standard, you know, would a killer. Larry, you can they reach up 6 feet under if you touch some wrong places. Right, take the case you work on the cocaine. Make sure they understand. Oh, she's a simple woman and behave like shug me. Ludrode katake rule. So he will think twice about misbehaving, kaji. No, is blind, but large about blind. So open the eyes of love. So okay, we're no guji. A wanku. Okay, guji. Okay, come make sure your brain is alert. So that you can read somebody who play niji. Ke somebody me use niji. Can ram nong niji. Because the action ram nong niji, they knew the behavior ram use niji, they knew the. So learn to read those things. Go broad to protect. And love you above all else. Love you. Okay? Churama don't put nail. Do not do that. Because Mishata Nial Ray take a ramamo too, that means they don't deserve you. Huh? They don't deserve you. Commissioner could value be a cool belelu, that means baby nung ping. So be careful. You know? So be careful. So there you jogo. She wish ran dot, cause she wish jindar melari je gura mogwa, melari je nagaja banga when a ramatanaka level, kelching and yalo al chatamachaloin. If I'm not on the same level with you, China goran and banquen. Because what's gonna happen being a bring down. Or at least you try and when someone is trying is easy to tell. Or I'm a maona jada or let kado. Koni rudun to one quanki ye meant to take America moikin ye unit young yet tell Mukurana bill. Chugunaroke you wearing the latest watch. Near point chiguile jakayo, chajelka jaya watch money. You wearing the latest phone. Near Shaguile jakayo, chajelka upon Michetka no more. So wouldn't Michetka no more. That should be a red flag or would a tell future to be our billionaire. Because can you to come again? There do a lot kaka. Go on to he should be building towards something. So a partner is for a lifetime. Make sure you got the right partner. Make sure you have someone you can build a future with. Not someone that just want to show up. That's not someone that just will use, you know. And keep your money in your pocket, because man not gonna la talk simple. Take care. Hell with that. If that's what love means to you, that means it just me cham na. She not no use no. So let's not confuse love with Ramaguru or the good beneath Ramaguru young. Can a Ramanong need you trying to confuse? Cause she believe we can kind of queen, particularly me I can queen no while I take a guard chit up. My dear, she knew you've been there and done that. So therefore, she wrote the Jacob Ramajil Kachokadaro Beya. To believe someone based on their action, not what they say. Okay? I could prove que jirela ne katalada. Chiloida te the long kayen mara de alishaben. You know. Where we want the lamakan and to the alata sugar talk, but a genu crowd value like in order to go by your value on itokong. Whatever you do to yourself, again, it's going to teach other people about it. Deacon. Whether Lutheran, whether you set some standard to your guru back your penyaran, she could compromise with anybody. People will have no choice but they will follow to respect you, just as Lutheran. Whatever you set for yourself is what other people will follow. And love is not enough. My brother and sister, love is not enough to keep a family. It takes more than love. So find a compatible partner, someone that you can build with. I think from the bottom up. He's trying or she's trying. That's who you need. Because at the end of the day, be our dapka God, be our take a family. Me take a mission to wakaji, whether it in check or it in wood. Can that other partner take care of your family fully? Or be God Goloshan? Let's not confuse that. The reality at the end of the day, Jalana, we're duck she and you can. Because Chaiku and Ramitali, she and take the same goal. Chagoro the same thing. Because forget about love when everything fall apart, all of that is out of the window. Gano be our learn who be a rodun knock the rune based on Cheng de Shia, will learn Korodun. Then we'll be within it just love. It's not enough till you keep together. No, I wouldn't mean you on a rune. Be our duck. No way, we are shaking Kuyo Benyan Kuyo Burunjin would not be our duck. So find a person that is suitable for you, for Mengori, your vision. Find that. Find that, and then you would be okay. You would be okay. You'll be able to build and raise a strong family. Cause that will continue, my God, because they chicken and NKG and a shagdo. Such like that chat kay along your nady alishaben. Again, my point and more whether it didn't wood while a gin shako take a wound to quite use bondamania. So please. Make sure be signed to turn a read. Ramamonogana la talk while using do some testing. Test the person. Sure, young kuja test, but test them. And see if they're gonna stay and stick around with you. There is a reason why these things exist. So they young you which a lawyer test. Along a yene de alishaben, along one I know what they yo, but when they couldn't alatayanten. Chajan. Long one I know what they yo, but when they couldn't alatin. To my sister, it and charan you don't charge a damn wood after she let Catinian one. I didn't know a week the other teeth on it, so I should do thin book by you your target to me million pain loan pain kell. Make sure he come back down with you. Sure by Nell. Chajan, because now I didn't go out your thing. So you bring them back down with you. You know. Sure, I'm not to the point, cool, but you were buying weed, yeah, Nell, Kushugula lot. Chagua. So keep your money on your pocket. You know. Learn what genuine love means. Okay? So so thank you so very much. Chakwara kotela taloi ko jataga menechala bananka ye kel. So kota yobi. Chikoro dan bejaj. But let's advise each other through love. Life is too short, and I had to learn the hard way, but God is good at the end of the day. So, bye.